Bellessi is an engineered painted polymer to give the look of glass without the hassles associated with glass. Bellessi Splashbacks are easy to install and offer a great range of colours, including metallics. Bellessi can be used directly behind induction, ceramic and electric cooktops, with gas requiring a colour-matched glass filler panel that sits directly behind the gas cooktop. Glass filler panels are a great option for budget kitchens for use directly behind the gas cooktop, even without the Bellessi polymer either side. Other options include a stainless steel filler panel, which is available in a vertical grain or a fingerprint resistant horizontal grain, as shown here. Bellessi offer a range of 20 vibrant colours in special order and also have a range of more popular colours including metallics available on shelf in most stores. The range includes polymer sheets, colour matched glass filler panels and stainless steel. In the Bellessi bay, you'll find our brochure with our available sheet sizes. Stocked in store are a range of sizes including 575 high sheets with glass filler panels and stainless steel to fit in caboodle kitchens with gas cooktops, and our 760 high sheets for electrical, ceramic and induction cooktops. Stocked glass filler panels are colour matched to offer a seamless transition from polymer to glass, as seen here. Bellessi polymer is easy to cut using standard cutting tools. Detailed instructions will be in the box of each splashback. Please remember to cut face down as shown here using a fine tooth aluminium blade. When working with Bellessi polymer, please ensure it is secured and cut on a sacrificial sheet. When using a hole saw, please remember to flip the polymer over halfway through and cut it again from the other side for a nice clean cut. When using a jigsaw, please ensure the sheet is secure to reduce vibration through the sheet while cutting. Bellessi Polish kits are also available at Bunnings and great for polishing up edges once they're cut to create a glass look, as shown here. Bellessi polymer is also repairable when scratched. Please work through the sandpaper grits provided in the Bellessi Polish kits to bring it back to a smooth surface, sanding a larger area around the scratch to avoid pulling. Once sanded back, use the Bellessi polish to bring the polymer back to its original finish. When installing Bellessi Kitchen Splashbacks, it is important to use a neutral cure silicone, applying a bead of silicone every 100 ml in a vertical line as shown, and then a bead of silicone every 20 ml behind the cooktop. Bellessi is a lightweight, easy to clean and install DIY kitchen splashback stocked at your local Bunnings Warehouse.